Right, YouTube, yeah, just thought I'd show you just thought I'd do a special video and show you my Assassin's Creed 4, the Buccaneer edition, like the special edition one. Thought I'd show you how I bought it. Assassin's Creed 4, Black Flag, really good game. On the side, probably has his Edward Kenway, the Assassin's games, he's like a symbol. On the side, and the back we have basically Defy, basically like Defy an Empire, and if you guys can see that, yeah, it's basically content we get in it. You basically get like you get the game, you get like a CD, lithographs, whatever, like posters, something where they are, art book, and the big figure like that. So, put this down here. I'm going to get each kind of little. I'm just going to get each bit out of it and show you which they are, which I've actually already unboxed it. So I'm just going to quickly go get the like figure thing. Here it is, the figure. You guys can see that. It's all kind of hard to show it all to be fair. Like this like flag and then. Kind of like Edward Kenway. You have to put it together. Well, I've already put it together. So there's Edward, which in my opinion is the best assassin out of them all. Let me just put this down. Slip this way. Same, just basically the same. Take the top off. These lithographs come in like a nice little cut thing, like old fashioned postcode. There, I'll show this one, which I'm not that big of a fan of. You guys can see that. There we go. This one, which I am a big fan of. I think this one's just badass looking. Edward, boss. And then get the CD, official soundtrack. The official soundtrack right there. And I haven't listened to it yet, but we'll come around to it soon. Then we get the video game, if I can find it. There we go. The actual video game itself, Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag, which is a really good game, but it's still not as good as number 2. I still think number 2 is by far the best one Assassin's Creed franchise have done. Same as the box inside. Cool. And with it as well, you also get like all exclusive content and everything. You get to play as that Eveline, or is that her name? The woman, you get to play as her for like 60 hours. And you get like all these. You guys can see them, you get like all these. And then you get like these as well. And yeah, sweet, yeah. And of course you get like the UK passport and everything. Moving on to the art book. It's pretty nice. Sorry guys, I've just been like changing the music earlier. I like semi-extra. You get like nice art book here. Not as big as I thought it was going to be, but still really nice. It's basically like just all the contents, like from characters to that's what I have logo. It's like just to see that, and if I can get a good one, or I got buccaneer. Oops, can we just get that in frame? Oh yeah, nice. And we just get nice scenery, very nice. We can still get this in frame, hard. There we go, nice. And then yeah, so this is basically just all. This is just all basically the same basically. Bomb. That picture too. It's all just basically the same. Just really nice artwork basically for the ones. Just artwork before they did the game basically. But it's really nice. So yeah, I would recommend getting this. To be fair, if you had a bit of money. If you had a bit of money, I would recommend getting this. But if you didn't, I still recommend just getting the game itself. The game itself is really good. So if you're a big fan of Assassin's Creed franchise, I would recommend really getting it. So I would recommend getting that. Yeah, one last quick look. Yeah, Assassin's Creed 4. Pretty big box set. That's just mainly because of the figure here. Everything else is pretty small. It's like £80 over here in England. So it's pretty good price, I guess. But if you don't want the figure, I recommend just getting the steel case one, which is like £60. You get everything but the figure. So you're basically just paying like actually like 20 quid for the box and the figure. So just hope you guys like this special video I did, and hope you guys like my videos and like subscribe.